today we're gonna talk about Kelvin's water dropper experiment. We are from KMITL Ventures team. We have 5 members. First is Thanaphat, 2 Warissara, 3 Nathawat, 4 Weerapat, 5 Nalinkarn. And first, we're gonna introduce you to know more about our equipment. First is water receiver. This contains the water that's dropping. Fill them with water to get it started. And we use water valve to control the water stream as we want. The next one are inductors. Metal rings which is the water can fall through. Make sure that your water entering the inductor from the top of the solid stream. The water coming out the bottom should be individual droplets. In order for the charging of the stream to take place, the stream must fall very close to the inside wall of the inductor. Next are receivers. They are metal containers that are the water drops into. The insides of the receivers must also be the metal, and they should have a very wide opening since the water falling into them may be widespread. And next is insulating containers. These are to keep the two receivers from electrical conducting to each other. They must be made of electrically insulating material like plastic. As we use pipe for being our insulating containers. The spark gap is where the spark occurs once the electrostatic charge has been built up. The parts of the two objects has to face each other. At the spark gap should not be sharp points. They should be smooth. Put it in the dark background behind the spark gap to see faint sparks. Try with very small spark gap between 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters. And the connecting wires will connect the right conductor to the left receiver and left inductor to right receiver. Right receiver to right side of spark gap. And the last one is left receiver to left side of spark gap. And I will show you the example of our project. This is our real project that we made.
นี่คือผลลัพธ์ครับ
And this is our result. This chart shows the data for test runs for 50 seconds. For each test run, a video recording was made of spark gaps for observing the length of time between sparks in seconds. The average spark cycle is around 3.85 seconds. Thank you.